Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing a new hair mask that I've been trying lately. Just two ingredients and the results are amazing. It not only promotes hair growth, also makes your hair super shiny, soft and manageable, especially if you have super dry and frizzy hair. And usually hair masks tend to dry out, but this one doesn't. And without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified of my further videos. First ingredient is ginger. It is known to promote hair growth and treat any dandruff because it has antiseptic properties in it. It also increases the blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair follicle and encourages more hair growth. I have already peeled the skin of the ginger and I'm going to cut it into small pieces and keep it aside. And now is our second ingredient, which is coconut. Coconut contains all the essential nutrients that is needed to promote hair growth. It restores dry hair and dry scalp. It is extremely moisturizing. And these are the two ingredients that you will need for this hair mask. You can also use coconut milk if you have. Now add 1 cup of sliced coconut and few pieces of ginger in a blender and blend it well. Add water also so that to blend into a smooth paste. Once you get the paste, now then filter the milk and because we can't just apply it like that, it will be very difficult to wash it off, so filter it well and extract the milk. And if you don't want to add the plain water, you can also add rice water in it, and it will also add more benefit to this mask. And now for my scalp, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. This is very optional because my scalp is now not behaving well. It's getting little dry and flaky, so I'm adding extra moisturizing, and rosemary helps to promote hair growth and I love the smell of rosemary. So it's just optional. You can use any essential oil that you need or any oil, almond or coconut oil that you want. And now I'm detangling my hair. As you can see, it's not that good. It's very frizzy and I'm finding it very difficult to manage. It's been a week since I washed my hair, and that's how I usually wash my hair. Now I have detangled it properly. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and after that I'm going to apply this mask using a cotton ball and apply it directly to your scalp. I'm just going to divide sections and apply it. If you want, you can also transfer this into a spray bottle and just spray it in your scalp. After applying it, I will do a 5-minute very gentle massage just to make sure that all the coconut milk is penetrating into my scalp. Also, you can do a hot towel steaming. That is also very good for your hair, but I'm just lazy here, so I'll just going to do a massage. And after this, I'm going to apply the remaining coconut milk into my hair length. I'm just going to drench my hair fully in this coconut milk. And yes, it is little messy to apply, so I will advise you to do this hair masking in your bathroom. And there will be some questions you'll be asking, so firstly I want to clarify it. You can use this mask once a week. It is extremely moisturizing and deep conditioning, and all these oil is optional. If you want, you can add, but you can just add ginger and coconut and then use this hair mask. And what shampoo you can use after this hair mask is that use something that is very mild, and I'm going to use a herbal wash after this mask, and I'm going to leave it for 2 hours, and then I'm going to wash it. Don't leave it for more than 2 hours. 2 hours is more than enough, and then you can wash it off. Don't leave it overnight, it is very cold. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, please click the thumbs up button, and if you have any question, please write it down in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my next video. I'll see you next time. Take care.